I'm Dr. Jerry Waite, and I'm the coordinator of the digital media program at the University of Houston. I'd like to take a minute or two to tell you a little bit about our program. First of all, we are a program that prepares technologically savvy people for positions of project management and leadership in the digital media industry. And the digital media industry includes everything from print to website development to video to photography to animation. And we are also very involved with the whole integration of information technology with graphics and digital media. For example, one of the projects that students work on is called Variable Data, and in that they create one file, and this is an example of a project that's done that way, and in this file there are different names and different pictures that are all merged automatically from a very important database. Similarly, here's another example in which there's only one document here, and it's repeated many times on the same page, and each one has a different student's picture. In addition, you'll see that there is a funny looking kind of code that's on each one of these pages. This code, called a quick response or QR code, allows you to take your smartphone, an iPhone or BlackBerry, take a picture of this, and it goes directly to this young lady's website. So we have an integration of information technology along with digital media to create all sorts of really cool projects.
The Digital Media Lab is equipped with 37 24-inch Macs with the latest version of the Adobe Design Suite. In this frame, I am retouching my senior project in InDesign, a very sophisticated page layout software. Here, Harold can be seen putting a plate on our Ryobi 3302HA 2-color press. In the digital media program, students take a class that teaches them how to run a press, as well as other machines such as a guillotine cutter, a folder, a plate setter, and a stitcher. Here, I am calibrating a densitometer and checking the density of the ink coming off the press, as well as the registration.
Prints direct from file, send a PDF, and it prints fast, there's no make-ready time. First copy off the machine is sellable, low maintenance.
We learned how to create and design a website. We learned the importance of user accessibility and making sure it was well organized so it was functional. We learned about tables and CSS cascading style sheets and how to use them in Dreamweaver. We learned about typography for the web and how it's different from print. And at the end, we made our own website.
Digital photography class teaches the use of digital camera controls, aperture and shutter priority, white balance and flash, composition rules, and lighting techniques. It also teaches the use of a digital camera to tell stories, capture people and nature, rating photographs based upon technical and aesthetic considerations, organizing images based upon metadata, keywords, and evaluative criteria. We learn the process of delivery of finished photographs through websites and soft and printed proofs and archiving finished photographs. Video planning and production describes features of a digital video camera, including video file modes, demonstrate the use of video digital camera controls, composition rules such as camera placement, framing, and movement, apply digital video workflow to their project planning. It also teaches about editing software and sound design, the usage of digital video camera to tell a story, promote a product, or make a quick movie.
IGA-UH is the student chapter of the International Graphic Arts Education Association, and we basically exist at U of H in the College of Technology to assist students build relationships with local businesses and people in the industry of graphic communications, and build those network ties so they have some connections outside of the college. We also go to a conference once a year with the parent organization, and the officers get to go through sponsorships.
Every semester we have an event called the Employers Meet and Greet. Basically, we select top employers from around Houston area that is centralized in graphic communications or print, and we bring them and around a table, and students can come in and ask them about print or whatever question they have for these employers. And I think that this is a great way for students to network and get their foot, in the door if they want to get a job in this company. And I just think this club is a great way for many different students to come together and work together as a team.
We are trying very hard to prepare you to be leaders in this field. We also cover all sorts of things with regards to human resource management, hiring and firing of people, how you go about managing and leading projects, and those kinds of things. So the outcome of this program is not a graphic design program. We're not teaching you design particularly. We are not teaching you to be technicians or operators of equipment or computer operators. Instead, we want you to be the leaders of our industry, the ones who get things done. And in the College of Technology, that's what we're all about.